how to apply transitions to the slides. Step by step again. Step number one, select the desired slides, then click the transition command on the toolbar. So suppose I require to apply transition to this slide only. I am selecting this slide. I am selecting slide number 6. As soon as I'm selecting slide number 6, at the top, you will be able to see transition. When I'm clicking on the transition, you will be able to see the transitions coming over here. One more time I'm showing you. I'm clicking on the transitions. You will be able to see motions, side transition. A drop down box will be coming. Open the drop down box at the top of the pane, then select the transitions. This is the drop down box. I'm selecting none first. That means I'm applying none of the transition to that particular slide. When you are selecting none, you have to go for the play option so that you are able to see that none of the transitions have been applied over there. Done. So now you will be able to see slide transition none. And when I'm clicking on none, you will be able to see another drop down box which is coming over there. Now, this is the drop down box. I'm selecting the second option, that is dissolve. After selecting the dissolve option, you are required to click on the play button just in order to see that the transition have been applied to that particular slide or not. You are able to see that the transition have been applied. If you want to change the transition, again go over here. Over here you will be able to see. Now see, I'm not able to apply any of the transitions. Why? Because over here you are able to see a message. Click slides or press enter to continue. So I'm clicking on the slide. Till the time you are able to see this particular option, you won't be able to apply any other transition. So I'm just clicking the slide, or I will be pressing enter key. Coming to the slide again, you are able to see this dissolve option. When you are clicking on the dissolve option, another drop down box will be coming. From the drop down box, you can select any other option and you will be able to see whether that particular option is applied or not. So over here now dissolve is highlighted. I will be selecting cube. Once a cube is selected, you just require to click on the play button just in order to see whether the transition have been applied or not. Now cube is over here. We require to click on the play button just in order to see whether the transition cube has been applied to the slide or not. It will take some time. You are able to see now the slide is blank. Yes, in the cube fashion it is revolving and the slide is coming on yours, on your screen. Now click slide or press enter. I am again clicking on the slide so that that particular slide will be again highlighted and we are able to do any operations on that particular slide. Till the time the option is not going, you won't be able to apply any operations on the slide. One more operations I am showing you, that is flip. If I'm showing you flip, just showing you flip, click on play. When you click on play, you will be able to see the flip, that is the slide will be flipping and it will be coming on your screen. You are able to see the